In this video, I'm going to teach you how to OCR a PDF document in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com, and from in there you should be able to see and hear this. Proceed to click on this Get Started option in order to get started for an account. You can also head over and click on Try It Free to get 14-day free trial of Bluebeam. Now, if you also have access or you want to also buy a license, you can get in here or click on this Buy Now option. So click on Login if you already have access and then log into Bluebeam. On my case, I've already installed Bluebeam and here it is right here. So to initiate OCR onto your actual PDF, proceed to click on Document and from in there you can see OCR. You can also click on their shortcut, which is Ctrl-Shift-O in order to open this. So let's click on this and it will open right here this. You can choose right here the language as well as the document type. I'll choose right here text document and optimize it for accuracy. We can correct skew, detect orientation, detect vertical text. Choose right here the page chunk size as well as the max vector size. Click on OK right here and then this will run the OCR. This will render your page off right here until it's completed. So this particular OCR helps you verify the files and help you extract them or extract the text associated with it. Once it's done rendering, it should be able to show you the result for this. And in here, you can see the progress that runs the OCR module. Once it's done, you can head over and proceed to use it as you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.